Okay, so good morning, everyone. We are obliged to start now. Right now, if we want to respect the schedule. So, welcome in Champs-sur-Marne and welcome in this building. Bienvenue. So, just for the story, bienvenue is not just the translation of welcome in English. In fact, Fulgence Bienvenue was the main designer or the main creator of the Paris Metro, and it's why the building owns his name now. So in introduction or during this opening session, so with Philippe, which is now going to make the registration, we will present some details of the organization. After Jean-Bernard Kovarik, the Vice President of University Gustave Eiffel, give you a short talk of introduction. Valentin Benoit as the Secretary of Geotechnical Committees for AFNOR, so the French standard body. And to finish, Adrian Van Setters as Ec7 Chair will present the content of this Paris seminar, so dedicated to the second generation of Eurocode 7. So some details of organization. So the first thing is that we will use two rooms. So this room, the amphitheater, and another room, so B15 to B19, which are merged in one big room. So we will use these two rooms. So we just need 1 minute to go from one room to another room, so I think it will be very convenient. After regarding the presentation, so for the day one, everyone has already sent this presentation, so thank you for you, and they have been uploaded on the two computers. But for the day two, there are some presentation missing. So for the speakers that have not sent yet this presentation, please send me, and they will be uploaded on the two computers. So regarding the coffee break, so they will be organized just upstairs, as you have, I think, understood. So at 10:30, I think, just after the first presentation. After regarding the meals for today and tomorrow, so in the envelope you have received 2 tickets. So one for today and one for tomorrow. And so the restaurant is is in the same building, so it will be possible for you to take what you need or what you choose. So we will not have a separate table, so we will be, with the people working in the Gustave Eiffel University and the students, but the restaurant is very large, so there will be no problem to find some tables. After, in terms of organization for the gala dinner, so as you have maybe understood, so the gala dinner will be organized on a boat on the Seine in Paris. So the first thing is for the people who are registered and they don't want to come to the gala dinner, it's possible, please tell me. It will be possible to give your invitation to other people. And after, for the people who are not registered but who are interested to attend the gala dinner, we have some free invitations. So please tell me, and during the coffee break this morning until midday, it will be possible to see if we have enough invitation to invite people that are interested to attend the gala dinner. Regarding so as we have the dinner on a boat, so we are obliged to respect the hours. So for the arrival, so you need to arrive at 7:30, and the boat will leave at 8:15. So after, it will not be possible to join us. So be, I think, cautious about the transportation. Just for information, so from here to come back to the center of Paris, you need 1 hour by transport. So if as we finish at 5:30, you have more or less 2 hours and a half to come back to the center of Paris. So it's possible to go through your hotel, especially if your hotel is close to Paris Gare de Lyon or Châtelet in the center of Paris. So don't worry, it's large, we have enough time to go from here at 5:30 and to arrive around between 7:30 and 8. So the arrival of the boat at the end of the evening is at 11:15 or 11. And don't worry if there is metro until 1 hour into the night, so you have enough time in order to come back to your hotel. There is no problem on that. And if you need some information, so you can contact me directly on my phone if it's necessary, or during the day I will be there, so you can directly discuss with me for any information or any issues. And to finish this introduction, we would like to say thank you to the different sponsors. So first of all, the Gustave Eiffel University and the CEREMA. So in fact, there are the two French institutes involved in geotechnical engineering. So in the past, they were together in what we call the bridges and roads laboratories. After, we want to say thank you to the French Federation, so FNTP for civil works, and FFB EGF for buildings. In France, we have two federations, one for civil works and one for buildings. I don't know if it's the case in other European countries. A special thank you for the CFMS, so the French Society of Soil Mechanics, so maybe you can recognize the logo of the ISSMG. And after, a special thank you to finish to some private companies, so CETEC Terrasol, so the company where I work, so Geotechnical consulting company. And after, maybe more well-known companies, so Soletange Bachy with Thierry Jeanmer, Terramé with Nicolas Freitag, Ménard with Cyril Plomteux, and Keller with Serge Lambert and Paul Pranger. So thank you for your attendance. And now, Jean-Bernard, if you want to say some words as Vice President of Gustave Eiffel University, you have the time you need.
Chairman of SC7, General Secretary of Geotechnical Committees of BNTRA, and dear Sébastien, and dear colleagues from the geotechnical community. It's a pleasure for me to welcome you at Université Gustave Eiffel on behalf of Gilles Roussel, the president of Gustave Eiffel University. And Gilles Roussel always stresses out that he is very proud to host this SC7 meeting, two days meeting, to celebrate the second generation of Geotechnical Eurocodes. Just a few words on Université Gustave Eiffel, just to say that we were created almost 5 years ago in 2020 as the merging of a French national research institute, which was called IFSTA, with the headquarters here at Marne-la-Vallée, and a French local university also located in Marne-la-Vallée, denoted as UPEM. And after that, a school of architecture and 3 thematic schools of engineering also joined the Gustave Eiffel universities. We are under the supervision of the Ministry of Sustainable Development and under the supervision of the Ministry for Higher Education and Research. And for that reason, the president of Gustave Eiffel University, Gilles Roussel, often says also that we are the heirs of the LCPC, Laboratoire Central des Ponts et Chaussées, because IFSTA itself, so the half of our DNA, IFSTA, was created in 2011, and in 2011, IFSTA was also the merging of 2 French national research bodies, the one involved in civil engineering, construction and infrastructure, LCPC, and the other involved in transport vehicles, transport safety and transport operation, which was called INRETS. And actually many of us are keen to maintain the LCPC spirit and to maintain the operation of the testing equipments, test rigs spread all over the country, not only here at Marne-la-Vallée, but also in different locations in France. And we are keen to enhance the relationships within the old LCPC family and the related bodies all across Europe and at international level. That in this renewed universitary environment we are now benefiting. As Vice President in charge of public policy support, I am also very honored to say a few words. And first because standardization is among the most significant missions that we are asked to fulfill by our supervising Ministry of Sustainable Development. And second, because myself, I was also involved a little bit many years ago in the Eurocodes, Geotechnical Eurocodes, and had some works in geotechnical aspects of the safety format of Eurocodes. And well, still I'm involved in some other working groups, Eurocodes for action from currents and waves. And you know, geotechnics is not far away from that, because it's always a matter of interaction between water and armor layer units, or interaction between waters and the subsoil. So it's very interesting, and I wish you a pleasant stay here in Marne-la-Vallée, a pleasant and fruitful 2 days meeting. I hope I will address also many thanks to the sponsors and to the organizers from different companies in France and in Europe, and enjoy and celebrate the second generation and prepare the national annexes. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Jean-Bernard. And Valentin, if you want to say some words for the AFNOR, so the French standard body.
So, good morning, everyone. I am Valentin Benoit, and I'm responsible for coordinating the geotechnical and civil engineering standardization in the BENTRA. So, what is the BENTRA? The BENTRA is a standardization office which works on behalf of AFNOR. This office is in charge of establishing the standard in the vast field of urban planning, and this, of course, includes geotechnics. In addition, the BENTRA is also involved in different Eurocode, as the Eurocode 2, and multiple TC, both on SEN and ISO. If I had to mention a few in particular, I would mention the TC 396 on earthwork, and the TC 288 on the execution of geotechnical works, both because they are shared by France. So thank you for taking the time to listen to me. Thank you to be here this morning. And now I would like to introduce the chairman, who, as you know, is Adrien. So thank you.